Hi guys, hope you guys are doing great. Today's video is about learn how to develop app in ABAP using SAP BTP ABAP environment. This blog states that given three links, along with after completion of these three links, you will earn the three badges as well. First link is about create an SAP BTP ABAP environment trial user. You'll be logging into the SAP BTP account and you will able to connect SAP logon, which system you're maintaining. That will be shown here. After listing of link, you will see the tutorials over here. After clicking on click, once you start the machine, you will see the step-by-step tutorial. Once you click the open all, you will find you'll see the each and everything step by step. In the same way, after completion of these tutorials, you will find the what the next step need to be proceed. Final exam will be there, and after completion of all the things, you will receive a first batch. Let's see of second batch. It's regarding like CDS. It's one of the concept in the ABAP related to ABAP. That is the thing. After completion of the first batch, you can go with the second batch. It's a more advanced thing in the ABAP. And coming to third link, it's also another topic in the ABAP like wrap after UI5 application, how to deploy an application. Everything will be there. After completion of, you can see like how the things will get work on in the BTP environment. After completion of all things, you will see that like more about your choice using ABAP kit. After completion of all things, you can push the code to the ABAP kit as well. Even ABAP kit is like a version control system, as we've seen that normal the programs you're developing Java or C++, we used to push the code in GitHub. In the meantime, coming to SAP ABAP, or else be it in any CCC system or S4 HANA system or any BTP environment, you can use these things and you can push the code to ABAP Git. That is a version control tracking system. You can use that thing in the end of this all of these tutorials. After completion of this all these tutorials, you will get three badges over here which you are looking on it. ABAP, these three things. This will be reflected in your SAP community profile which you created in the community.sap.com. This is the profile where you will get these three badges. Thank you. Happy learning. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and share it to your SAP friends who are working on it, or else any new developers also can interest and take part of this ABAP in the BTP environment. Thank you.